Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view and use a referral feature in GCash. No referral code needed. Important clarification. The GCash does not use a referral code for earning benefits. Instead, it offers a referral opportunities through job listing in the app. And here are the step-by-step guide. First thing is to open the GCash app and log into your GCash account and tap on the View All Services. Then, found at the center of the home screen, scroll down to the Enjoy section. Look for and tap on the Jobs and find the referral option. And scroll down the bottom part of the job page and tap on the third option labeled Referral and how to refer a job. Just explore the jobs, tap on the job listing and browse available opportunities and match with a friend. Read the job descriptions and think of a friend who might be a good fit. Just refer a friend or enter the friend's name and email address and tap refer. And your friend will get an email notification to apply. And if your referred friend gets hired, you earn a GCash reward. No referral code needed. Everything is done through job section. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.